everyone, it's Caretha and welcome back to Essence of Polish. Today's video I'm going to start off with some Christmas designs and I'm going to do another subscribers choose my manicure video. So I have a nail wheel full of Christmas designs, and how this works is I'm going to go through and explain how I did each design and the colors I used, and at the end of the video you guys are going to choose a design, and choose 5 designs actually, and the 5 designs that have the most votes are what's gonna go on my nails. And I used these in addition to 2 more, these polishes, and these 2 are the main colors I used. I do have some other additional colors I used, but like I said, these 6 are the main colors I used. So starting with number 1 on the wheel. So starting off with number 1, it's a little Christmas berry on a white base. I used this KleanColor Metallic White for the base, and for the berries I used KleanColor Metallic Red and some chunky glitter for the leaves. I did 2 coats of the metallic white, and then I did some testing after that to see what it would look like on top of a white, and I actually liked it better on top of a white, so I just drew this little dot to remind myself to do it on top of a white base. So yeah, if you like this design, or if you choose this design, I'll be doing it on top of a white base. And so that's number 1. Number 2, I used a base, this RK brand, in the color Bloody Lips. So I did 2 coats of this, and one of the additional colors that I think this is the only nail I use this color with, but one of the additional colors I used is this Sinful Colors Holiday Rebel. So that's just 2 coats of this and 1 coat of the glitter. That's number 2. Number 3, I did a base of CoverGirl Emerald Blaze. This is a duochrome. It goes from brown to, well, green actually, since that's what you're looking at, but it goes from green to a brown bronzy color, and that's the base color on number 3. And I used Kiss Gel Dressy for a little Christmas tree. I don't know if you can see it because it's a little dark, but yeah, number 3 is a Christmas tree. If you can see it, I hope you can see it. KleanColor Dressy for the Christmas tree, and I used this gold for the star and some brown acrylic paint for the little stem, the trunk of the tree. So that's number 3. Number 4, I used Wet n Wild French White Cream. I was about to say French White Tips, but the base color is Wet n Wild French White Cream. And you know what? I'm missing a polish. 1 second. So for the wreath, I used this Sally Hansen. I used this Sally Hansen pins and needles for the wreath, and a little bit of this Pure Ice Lucky Charming. I used a little bit of this just to add a little bit of sparkle to the wreath. And for the bow, I used RK Bloody Lips. Number 5 is a dry brush method. I used Wet n Wild French White Cream for the base, and then Sugar Polish Metallic Gold for the dry brush, and also Color Club Don't Harp on It. So I used a gold and a silver for the dry brush method for number 5. Number 6, I used the base of the French white cream and topped it with metallic white, and then 1 coat of Sinful Colors Decadent, 1 coat of this red glitter. That's number 6. Number 7 and number 8, for both of these, I used I might need to zoom out a little bit. Wrong one. For number 7 and number 8, I used these 2 polishes, the Bloody Lips and the Dressy from, well, RK Bloody Lips and Kiss Gel Dressy. And I did them the opposite from each other so that you guys can choose which one you like better. I couldn't decide which one I like better, so I couldn't really decide on which one to put on the wheel. But you know what? You guys are choosing the manicure. So I was like, you know, let me just put both of them up there and let y'all choose. So yeah, those are the 2 colors for the red. The holographic line in the middle, like the X in the middle, is Color Club Don't Harp on It. And then I went across the design with some striping tape. And so between these 2, you can choose which one you like better. Like, they're the same design, same colors, but it's the opposite of each other. Like, do you like the red better or the green? And that's 7 and 8. Number 9 is horrible. I hate number 9. I don't know why I didn't test this idea before I put it on the wheel, but number 9, if y'all like it, but number 9 is French white cream with Sinful Colors Decadent, I forgot the name of it, but topped with Sinful Colors Decadent. And so y'all can see the design. Yeah. And then the lines I did with the red and green, the main colors I've been using for just about the whole wheel. And I did some dots with Pure Ice Lucky Charming and Sugar Polish Metallic Gold. So that's number 9. And like I said, I didn't test this out when I had this idea. Like, I wanted to do a design with the lines, but I wanted something in the background, so that's why I put the glitter in the background, but I ended up not liking it. If y'all like it, that's number 9, but I don't like that one. If miraculously it ends up being the top 5, then I'll still put it on my nails, but yeah, that's number 9. Number 10 is Dressy topped with Decadent. Number 11 is Metallic Gold, and I drew some lines with the metallic white and Don't Harp on It, and the dots I used the same red and green, the red and green as in the other designs. Number 12, 13, and 14 are the same. Well, not exactly the same, but like I had different ideas, so I just did all 3 of them on the wheel to see what you guys think, or so that you can choose between the different varieties. But for number 12, I used a base color of Number 12, I used the base color of this CoverGirl Emerald Blaze, and I did the smooshy technique with this same color and the red and the gold, with red and gold. And I did the smooshy technique only down the center of the nail, and I did not use any tape or anything to make sure the size of the smoosh would be, you know, straight. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but like I can't tell if there's too much reflection, but I didn't use any tape so that the size of the smooshy would be straight. So they're I guess kind of freestyle the size of the smooshy. And the only problem with that is that sometimes I would have too much polish on my stamper, and without the tape on the sides, on this side, the polish started to run down the sides of the nail. But I do think I still kind of liked this technique, doing the smooshy down the middle without the tape, because I did eventually fix that problem with just less polish on the stamper. And that's number 12. Number 13, I did the same thing, smooshy down the middle of the nail, but I used the red and the dressy green and the gold for the smooshy. And this time with number 13, I did use tape. So the sides of the smooshy are straight, like a straight edge, and that's one of the differences in these these three nails. Number 14, I used Kiss Gel Dressy along with the red and the gold. And of course Kiss Dressy is the base color. So yeah, with this one I didn't use tape also on the side. So yeah, basically with these three I was just testing which background color and which color to use for the smooshy, and also whether to use tape on the sides or not. So basically freestyle the sides. So that's number 12, 13, and 14. The lighter bronzy green color for the base without tape on the sides, red with tape on the sides, or the dark green without the tape on the sides. For number 15, 16, 17, and 18, I just ran out of ideas. So, and of course, you know, you want to have at least one plain nail. I mean, not that I'm telling y'all what to choose, because y'all are choosing this manicure, but you want to at least have one plain nail. So I just said the last four are just going to be swatches, because I'm running out of ideas for Christmas designs, and I didn't really want to do character designs. Like I didn't want to do Santa Claus or Rudolph. So for the last four, I just did swatches of, like I said, the main colors that I used. This is the red, which was RK Bloody Lips. 16 is the Kiss Gel Dressy. 17 is Sugar Polish Metallic Gold. And 18, well, I guess this wasn't really the main ones. I only used this on a few of them, but just because it's holographic, I just had to do a swatch of this one. So that's number 18. So that is all my designs, and I'm gonna go back through them close up so you can see them again and see them better. So these are the 18 designs. Oh, and also I did do this series one time before, so if you are interested or if you like this idea, then you can click on the card in the top right corner of the screen so you can see what the other design looked like, or you can see the other 2 videos of the series because I am going to make this 2 videos, starting with showing you the designs, and then for the next video I'm going to show you the manicure. So just going back over so you can look through, refresh your memory, choose a design, and yeah. And choose 5 designs, and the 5 designs with the most votes are what's gonna go on my nails. Yep, so that's that, and I will see you in the next video.